guys, welcome to Let's Go Fishing. We had an awesome day at Harties today. It was a bit of an up and down day for me personally. I had to work, so I dropped off Heinrich this morning and he fished with Reno and with Mias, and I had to go do some deliveries, and luckily there was a rainstorm that kept them from fishing. And after the rainstorm they went back and I was close. They waited for me. I jumped on the boat and got an opportunity to catch a Harties carp or two. I must say, awesome opportunity, but we had a lucky day. We're going to show you baits, we're going to show you what we did, and a little bit of Harties detail. The hyacinth has moved in, so our day has come to an end. We're going to show you how to fish Harties. Remember, if it works for us, it's going to work for you. And while we're on this, like and subscribe. If you haven't liked our YouTube channel, please subscribe on it and hit that notification bell so that every time a new program like this drops, that you'll be notified of it. Thanks guys, enjoy the show.
Okay guys, my first bait that's going to go out, just a tiger nut that I trimmed the top off, and then I took a Chop Chop BG pop-up, also trimmed both sides of it off to give it a flat surface, and that's going to be the view from the top. My second one, you'll see that small yellow and red. It's a prototype bait for 2024. It is a 10mm wafter, and we actually used it at Donaldson. Great success. I want to give it a try in Harties and see what it's going to do. Guys, on the third bait I took two small tigers out of the particle mix, skinned them, and my favorite, the tropical punch, also the pop-up. I trimmed both sides orange as an orange sighter. That's my third bait going in. Alright guys, we're just about ready to take the lines out. I'm going to keep it simple today, start with it simple. We might add something later. Straight out of the bag, the betaine and maize pellets. Straight out of the packet, particle mix, vacuum packed bags. Alright guys, first fish of the session. What a beautiful, beautiful, strange looking fish actually. As we caught that on the stinky squid pop-up, cut it in half with a tiger nut, and Sada, like always, back into the DKW. That honey just seems to be a winner, but I think the color together with the flavor. Let's see if we can catch another one.
This is take 2, the take after the rain. We went out this morning and there was a severe thunderstorm that came up. And guys, when a thunderstorm comes up, when you're on the dam, rather go off. Mia's got shocked by the rods, especially if you're fishing graphite rods. He got choked properly. So we went off the water. It's a typical summer thunderstorm that came through. It's cleared, and normally after the storm, if you go back, the fishing is way better. We're going out again. We're going to anchor, see if we can catch a couple of big ones. The Reno and Mias are still busy putting lines out, and the first one just ripped off. This is Reno's rod. Let me tune him a bit. Reno! Kom boetie! Ooh, it's been a while since I caught a Harties carp. I was standing here and this reel went off and I thought, what's going on here? There's a specimen fishing and there's no alarm on here. But fish on. And it feels decent. Let's hope it comes out. This fish went into a snag. There's a lot of trees that's come into Harties with the recent floods, and it went into a snag, so we on our way to go and fetch it. Easy does it. Here we go. Skip on, skip on! Booyah! Yeah, go. Like a long fish. Alright guys, this is a balancing act of note. Dankie Reno! What a fish. Ran about a 10 kilo common, male fish. I'm going to get it back as quick as possible. Take a quick snappy, and then Mias is on with another one there. It looks like they're moving in. Just a bit of particle mix on the spot. Stinky squid pop up with a tiger. Man, that does the trick. Reno, you putting it back into the DKW, eh? Yeah. Spicy honey goes back into that. Man, oh man, let's take a quick picture. The pictures are taken. Let's get this baby. It's freedom. And there she goes. Mias is on. Let's see what's on that rod. Yo, hard fight. That's the lucky thing about Harties carp. They are mean fighting machines. Okay, relax the line. There we go.
You beauty.
Da 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 da.
Alright guys. Shellfish, jou lekker ding. That pop-up is just catching fish everywhere in this country. What a beautiful fish.
When you're fishing off a boat, there's always a bit of movement, and we've got to anchor this way, we've got to anchor that way, and we anchored on the front, but the boat still moves like this. So in specimen fishing in South Africa, we like to fish really tight, but when you're fishing off the boat, you can't do that. So what we did is there's a bit of slack on the line just to allow for that movement. You don't want the boat to move and the rods to pull on the line and move the bait. So just allow that little bit of slack line, and that's going to allow for that bait to lie still, and then the carp will pick it up much easier. They're out taking out another rod. This one is set. Let's hope for another big fish. We've got another fish on. It's hectic. They're in the water. Every time they get back after the rod is set, it goes. This feels like a better fish. Ooh, lovely. We are dropping the leads, and the reason why we do it, there's loads and loads of snags and grass. Rena's gonna do the honors in the water there. It's in between the other lines. This is a proper fish. Get in the net. Skip him, skip him, skip him, skip him, Frankie. Boom, changalaga. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Harties monster. Spawned out. I estimate this fish at around about 14 and a half kilos. We're not going to weigh it. It's just simply not enough space on this boat. We're gonna grab a quick pick and release this fish. But what a fight, what a fish, what a privilege. Harties gold. Guys, time to release this beautiful fish. Let's get him back safely. What a privilege, what a pleasure. Here we go. Boom, gone. It's an absolute privilege. I must say, Harties has surprised me. I'm glad I decided to join the guys. Man, this morning I was a bit despondent when I had to drop off Heinrich here. Now I'm glad that I came back. Fish on! Yes, no pressure, but this is the last fish for the program. The weather's moving in. Another fish. On, Reno? Oh, now it's two fish on. Pretty soon these two are going to call me net boy. So how does that? two fish on. The weather's moving in, and let's hope we land them both. So that looks decent, Reno.
The fire.
We're gonna net Reno's fish first. It's a bit smaller and it's coming in a bit quicker, but I must say they come really quickly to the boat, and then the fight starts. So this is fun and games now. Anchor ropes, tree stumps, hyacinth, small hooks. Fun and games. This is fishing. Come baby. Da, 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 da.
Funny mouth, right?
Ladies and gents, it's chaos. Niels has got a big fish on. Reno's fish has landed, and in the unhooking process, Reno's line tangled with Niels' line, and the only rod in the water is running off. So it's not induced background noise, it is real-time background noise.
Nou sy visie gevang met 'n stinkie-skoot en 'n DKW tiger nut. Lekker man.
Alright guys, here's my fish. What a beauty. I opted to put out some of those pellets with a particle mix, shellfish. That's the results. Beauty. Thank you, beautiful. Shellfish.
Guys, thanks for watching our show. Remember to tell your friends and family about our show, and if you haven't subscribed, it doesn't cost you anything. Please do that. Tell us in the comments what you want to see next, where you want to see us fishing, and if there's any questions that you needed answered about specimen fishing, bank angling, put it for us in the comments. We're more than willing to help you. This is a beautiful fish. I'm going to concentrate on this. Man, oh man, just when I thought we were done, the last rod went off and this beast came aboard. I thought it was a tropical punch pop-up, but it was a stinky squid pop-up once again. Whew, brilliant. Lovely fish. 10-pound double X. The line of monsters. What a fish. We're gonna grab a couple of pics. Just come close. And then we off. That's the hook bait. DKW Tiger, stinky squid pop-up. That is number 6. Caught a white cape with a yellow kicker. Man, stuff of dreams. Guys, remember, if it works for us, it's gonna work for you. See you guys next time.